Up, Isaac.
Shoot, Red.
Protect the neck with your left hand, Isaac. Duck your chin and protect your neck. Protect and relax right there. His arms could get tired, so duck your chin. Get your left hand on the wrist. There you go, Isaac. Now stand up and pass that guard. Side control. Side control. Control his hip. Got him on the cage.
4 minutes.
Stay on that side. There you go, Isaac. Get low. Side control. Get low. Just get control first, Isaac. You're in good shape. You're in good shape right there, Isaac. Perfect. Just stabilize and get your wind. Square your hips up. Your hips got to be square, like that. There you go. Sink them down a little bit, and you can peel that hand off your neck and go for a Kimura right there. There you go. Peel it off and get the Kimura. You can either go to mount for 4 points. Oh man, Anthony's cheating. He's listening to me. Hips are too high. Sink those hips a little bit, Isaac. They're too high. Off your knees. Don't let him get that guard. Now step your right hand over his head. Step your right over his head.
3 minutes.
There you go. Knee, left knee. Goes for that mount. Nice. Stabilize, stabilize. Almost, buddy.
2 reverse.
You got a full guard. Okay, let go of that head and go defense. Bridge, bridge. There you go, out quick. Nice job. Nice. Very good, Isaac. Good job, Anthony. Don't give him that guillotine. You're always sticking your head in there, Isaac.
There we go.
Anthony just sinks in. Keep tugging on him, dude. He's gonna pull his shoulders forward and push his head back. Come on, Anthony, you got this, dude.
2 minutes.
Tuck that chin. Tuck your chin. Pull with your hand and tuck your chin. Okay.
Nice. Fuck yeah.
Good job, guys.
Good job, bro. Go Reese!